ओह नो, हमारे बीच में वो नहीं होना चाहिए।
क्या?
जब लोग SMS BBM पर बातें करते हैं, then when they meet, nothing to say.
Radha.
So what's really nice in Mukhtasar is that we've just spent time with the two characters, the principal characters of the film, which is me and Priyanka, which is Krish and Radha, and just them together. Their chemistry, moments between them, how they're having the best night of their life. That's all that Mukhtasar is all about.
What was really cool was that we could do anything. Ahmed just told us, this is, telephone booth, just do whatever you want. Or this is a bike, you're stealing it and do whatever you all want. So all the briefs were just do whatever you all want. So we had so much fun doing that song.
टू 2012 के जो गाने हैं are done in a very modern, contemporary way of how people are today. Apart from romance, there's a lot of fun, there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of entertainment in every song. So I think that's one of the high points of the film. The choreography, the locations, the music, the way the songs have come together. That is something that people are really going to enjoy.
They break into a Shakespearean theatre, there's nobody there. They get into the costume room, get a couple of Edwardian costumes on what they were wearing and just mess around, play around, have some fun and romance. So I think that is what romance today is.
What's nice about the song is that we've not tried to shoot it very typically in big locations and try and mount and, announce the fact to the world that we're shooting abroad. I think it's very boring to do that now. And I think it takes a lot of courage when you've been given such big locations, when you've been taken abroad as a choreographer to say, nahi yaar, this song for me is not about the locations, it's about the two characters, and that's what we focused on.
And what's interesting about it is it's not only a nightclub song because these guys, they drink and they travel. They're not curbed to one nightclub. And how today, in today's times, we all club hop and bar hop. They don't club hop. That's again a very a new element that Kunal and Ahmed have incorporated in the song.
ये गाना मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है क्योंकि ये एक्चुअली कंपोजिशन जब बनाई थी तो मैंने हमेशा ये सोचा था कि शायद अगर कभी मेरी कोई एल्बम होगी तो मैं उसके लिए गाऊंगा. उस वक्त शब्द कुछ अलग थे लेकिन जब मैंने सिचुएशन देखी इस फिल्म के अंदर तो मुझे ये लगा कि नहीं, मेरी एल्बम तो जब चाहे मैं कर लूँगा लेकिन ये फिल्म में ही गाना आना चाहिए और ये इतना खूबसूरत गाना है. और ये जैसे गाना सुना है कुणाल भाई को, ही लव्ड द सॉन्ग. एवरीबडी day one they became fan of this song.
Sajid and Wajid had come to our office. They wanted to make us hear some songs for this situation that had been given to them by Kunal. I remember the first time Wajid picked up his harmonium and he played the notes of Mukhtasar. It was just tang, tang. He just played these three notes on his harmonium and I immediately jumped up from my seat and I told him, this is very, very melodious. And he continued playing the notes and the more he played the song, the more we kind of heard it. I mean, I loved it from the time, as I said, he's played his first three notes.
कुणाल भाई said कि ये आपकी एल्बम के लिए बना था तो ये आप गाना आप ही गाओगे. It was very sweet of him. और फिर जब मैंने गाया तो शाहिद का फ़ोन आया कि यार you killed it, you nailed it man.
Mukhtasar is really nice song. I really like the melody. I love the word Mukhtasar.
पूरे घर में शायद सिर्फ ये बड़ा के मुख्तसर and he is like jumping around and I couldn't believe when I went there. Shahid was like dancing and says, this song does this to me. I just feel like doing dance and this and that. And he was so excited. तो गाना जब आप गाते हो, बनाते हो और उसका रिएक्शन इतना अच्छा आता है आपकी टीम के अंदर, उनको जब इतना अच्छा लगता है तो आपको खुशी होती है कहीं ना कहीं कि ये गाना हमने जिस तरीके से पेश किया ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है लोगों को.
Mukhtasar is just one of those songs that you can go on a long drive with your windows open and have blaring song playing in your car. It's one of those songs.
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.